Well, hey, this is Steve Dehoney. Mary and I are traveling in South Dakota. We are at the Badlands National Park here, and it is an amazing witness to the teachings that we've been taught over the last 25 years with Brother Morgan and Third Day, and the witness that nature gives to the tabernacle plan that we talk about a lot exclusively. The part in the second altar, the altar of incense, where there we understand by the teachings that things that were just dry and wouldn't burn in the outer court were actually brought to that. Scripture tells us that we're to present our bodies as a living sacrifice, totally acceptable unto God, which is our reasonable service. And as we continue to think about that and how that on that altar there were things that were presented to the Lord that were just nothing but things that wouldn't burn on the outer court altar. The death, we talk about Death Valley, we use that as an example, but as we were walking here in the Badlands, it was just a great example of nothing but barrenness. We've learned, and we'll share some more things about that, what we've learned about the different millions and millions of years of the biological takeover of the lands, how through evolution things have come and died, and how they even found sea creatures here in this part after the great oceans have come in and washed away, and fossils and things that we've seen on the other side that bear witness to these truths. It's an incredible thing, and as Mary is standing there showing you the desert, the depth of how things are, just even though I'm standing in land here that is muddy, it seems like it's so dry and barren. But anyway, it's a beautiful area here. We're glad to be here in South Dakota, sharing these things with you. And we just want to say God bless you. And write to us, keep us informed on Facebook what you think about these articles. You'll find a lot of this information under Open Heaven Voice, and we appreciate your communication. God bless you. This is Steve Dehoney.